Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is AHMAD based on ABIDIN, and my MATRIC number is 207989. Today I'm going to present about the buckling of Strut experiment. Firstly, what is the buckling about? Buckling is one type of sudden failure of a structural member that is subjected to a high compressive stress. This buckling can occur when the compressive force that applied exerted towards the slender column exceeds the value of critical load. In buckling so we will find the value of critical stress to compare with the yield stress, and the last one about the buckling is it is one type of failure that due to the elastic instability. Next, I will talk about the results. Firstly, we need to get the measurements of the beam like length, width, and also the thickness so that we can find the value of inertia. Next, we need to find the value of P critical where by using the formula that as shown in the slide, which is the power of 2 multiplied by elasticity multiplied by moment inertia and divided by L the power of 2. L is the length of the slender column or the length of the beam, and it should be there is the K in the formula, but in this experiment we only use a pin supported that brings the value of K equal to 1. As you guys can see on the table, the load apply when the load apply increase, the deflection value also will increase. Same as here, when the average load value increase, the average deflection value also will decrease. And then we need to find the value of D divided by load. As you guys can see, the trend of the graph also prove that when the average deflection increase, the value of D over P also will increase. Next, the purpose of the testing, firstly, to determine the buckling load for a pin at the strut. Next, the purpose is to determine what type of failure faced by strut. It can be determined by compare the value of critical stress and the value of yield stress. The buckling will occur when the critical stress value exceeds high or higher than the yield stress value. The last one is to determine what is the maximum compressive force that can be applied. The maximum compressive force that can be applied will depend on the P critical. Once the compressive force higher than P critical, the buckling will occur. Next, the engineering applications that I choose is the bed leg. As you guys can see, the arrow here show that the middle of the bed leg. When we sit on the bed, our weight will consider as a compressive force, and once our weight exceeds the value of P critical, the bed leg will deflect, and it shows that the buckling failure occur. That's all from me. Thank you. Dah.